you're losing thousands of dollars right now. While you're manually refreshing Upwork, other freelancers are getting job alerts in seconds and applying before you even see the posting. By the time you find a good job, it already has 50 applicants. This ends today. What if I told you that you could scrape every single Upwork job, title, description, budget, deadline directly into your Google Sheets and Gmail in real time, completely automated while you sleep? In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact system that top freelancers are using to get first access to high-paying jobs. No more manual searching, no more missing opportunities. Let's go. Here's the truth about freelancing on Upwork in 2026. The average high-value job gets 30 to 50 applicants within the first hour. If you're manually checking Upwork every few hours, you're already too late. The best freelancers, they're not sitting around refreshing the page. They've automated the entire process, and I'm about to show you exactly how they do it. Look at this. This single automation workflow fetches every new Upwork job posting, extracts all the critical data, job title, description, client budget, payment type, experience level, location, posting time, and delivers it straight to your Google Sheets and sends you instant Gmail alerts. All of this happens automatically every single minute if you want. Check this out. I'm opening my Google Sheet right now and look, 10 brand new Upwork jobs that were posted in the last 30 minutes. Every single detail is here. The job title, full description, payment status, hourly or fixed price, experience required, salary range, location, and most importantly, the direct URL to apply immediately. And here's the best part, I didn't lift a finger. While I was recording this video, my Gmail received instant alerts for each of these jobs. That means I can apply from my phone while I'm out having coffee, and I'm still beating 90% of the competition who are stuck at their computers manually searching. All right, let's build this. First, we are setting up the schedule trigger. This is your automations trigger. You can set this to run every minute, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, whatever makes sense for your workflow. I recommend every 5 minutes for high demand categories like web development or design. Here's the thing most people miss. You can schedule this for specific days and times. This saves you API credits while still keeping you ahead of the competition. Now watch what happens when this automation runs. You're about to see something that 99% of freelancers don't even know exists, and it's going to blow your mind. But first, we need to connect to Apify, and this is where it gets really interesting. Next up, we're using Apify, the secret of automation experts. Apify has thousands of pre-built scrapers, and for Upwork, we're using their Job Scraper Actor with a 4.2 star rating. This thing is a beast. Go to apify.com, create a free account, and search for Upwork Job Scraper. Click on it, and you'll see all the configuration options. Here's what you need to enter your search query, let's say N8N developer. Then you can filter by job location, payment type, budget range, and time posted. Now, to connect this to N8N, you need your Apify API token. Go to your Apify account settings, find integrations, copy your API token, and head back to N8N. In the Apify node, paste your credentials. And here's the critical part. You need the actor ID. Go back to the Upwork Job Scraper page on Apify, and you'll see the actor ID in the URL or in the settings. Copy that, paste it into your N8N node, and then paste your entire search configuration JSON into the input field. This tells the scraper exactly what jobs to fetch. Okay, here's where the magic happens. When you execute this node, Apify goes to work, but here's the catch. It doesn't give you the job data directly. It gives you a dataset ID. Don't worry, this is actually better, and I'll show you why in just a second. Stay with me, because the next node is the game changer. After the first Apify node runs, we add another Apify node, but this time we are using get dataset items. This is where we actually retrieve all the job data. Here's why this two-step process is brilliant. Apify scrapes jobs asynchronously, which means it can handle massive amounts of data without timing out. In this node, set the operation to get dataset items, and in the dataset ID field, drag the dataset ID output from the previous node. This dynamically pulls the dataset that was just created. Now when this runs, you'll get all the job data, every field, every detail ready to be processed. Look at this output. We've got job titles, descriptions, URLs, client information, budgets, posting times, everything. But here's the problem. This data is raw and messy. We need to clean it up before sending it to Google Sheets, and that's where JavaScript comes in. Now we're adding a JavaScript node to clean and format this data. You don't need to be a coding genius for this. I'm giving you the exact code you need. This script removes empty fields, formats, dates properly, cleans up HTML from descriptions, and standardizes the data structure. Here's what the code does. It loops through each job, extracts only the fields we care about, removes any null or undefined values, formats the budget as a clean number, converts the posting time to your local time zone, and outputs a clean JSON object ready for Google Sheets. See the difference? Before, messy, inconsistent data. After, clean, organized, ready to use. Now here's where this gets absolutely insane. We're about to send all this data to Google Sheets, but not just any sheet, a dynamically updating sheet that becomes your personal job command center. And then we're setting up Gmail alerts that look so professional, clients think you have a VA. Watch this. Before we send data to Google Sheets, we use the set node to define exactly which fields we want and in what order. This is crucial for keeping your sheet organized. I'm setting up job title, description, status, payment type, experience level, budget, location, URL, and date posted. Now add the Google Sheets node. Connect your Google account. N8N makes this super easy with OATH. Set the operation to append or update row. Select your spreadsheet. I've created one called Upwork Job Alerts, and map each field from the set node to the corresponding column in your sheet. Here's a pro tip: set column to match on to job title or URL. This prevents duplicate entries. If the same job is scraped twice, it'll update the existing row instead of creating a duplicate. This keeps your sheet clean and reliable. Look at this. Execute the workflow and 10 new jobs instantly appear in the Google Sheet with every detail perfectly organized. You now have a living database of opportunities that updates automatically. But we're not done yet. Let's set up Gmail alerts so you can apply instantly from anywhere. Add a set node after Google Sheets to format the email data. We only want to send the most important info: job title, budget, URL, and a quick description snippet. Add the Gmail node, set operation to send email, enter your email address, and create a professional looking subject line. New Upwork job alert, JSON.title_k. In the email body, format it nicely with HTML. I'll drop the template in the community. Now when jobs match your criteria, you get instant emails that look like this: clean, professional, with direct links to apply. You can be at the gym, on a date, anywhere, and still be the first to apply. That's the power of automation. But here's what you need to understand. This Upwork scraper is just one automation. Imagine having 50 automations like this running for you 24/7. That's exactly what we teach inside the AI Automation University. We have members who have automated their entire freelance business, their client management, their invoicing, their lead generation, everything. For example, one member just shared a workflow that scrapes 7,000 LinkedIn leads in under an hour and automatically sends personalized outreach messages. Another member built an AI agent that qualifies leads and books sales calls while they sleep. This stuff is insane, and it's all inside the community. Listen, if you are serious about leveling up your automation game and joining the top 1% of freelancers who work smarter, not harder, you need to join our school community right now. Here's what you get immediate access to: the complete Upwork scraper workflow. Just import and run it. 50 plus ready-to-use automation templates for freelancers. The LinkedIn lead scraper that pulls 7,000 leads in an hour. Weekly live automation workshops where we build new workflows together. Private community access to network with other automation experts. Exclusive tutorials not available anywhere else on YouTube. Done-for-you templates for Gmail, Slack, CRMS, and more. The link is in the description. Click it right now and join over 1,000 freelancers who are already automating their income. This is the investment that pays for itself in one job. Stop wasting time. Stop losing opportunities to slower competitors. Join the community, get the workflows, and start winning. I'll see you inside.